DJI Mavic 4 Pro's electronic ND filter will not be integrated. And that's turning out to be one of the most surprising twists in the lead-up to the launch of DJI's next-gen flagship drone. Because unlike what we expected to see from early rumors and assumptions that the Mavic 4 Pro would feature a built-in electronic ND filter, similar to what we see in many high-end cinema cameras, a newly leaked store listing tells a very different story. Per this listing, first reported by DroneXL and shared by none other than Jasper Ellens, the electronic filter will actually snap onto the front of the Mavic 4 Pro's massive camera payload, just like the detachable filters on DJI's previous drone models, such as the Mavic 3, Air 3, and Mini 4 Pro. And this particular leak is significant not just for the hardware detail, but because it signals the beginning of what will likely be a flood of pre-launch store listings, which often break embargoes and reveal key specs weeks before DJI officially makes announcements. Ellen shared an image showing what is confirmed to be the Mavic 4 Pro's electronic ND filter. And if you look closely at previous leaked photos of the drone, you can now clearly spot the line around the front portion of the camera, indicating where it detaches, meaning the electronic ND filter replaces the front section of the bulb-shaped camera module rather than being built in. And this detachable approach, while more familiar to DJI users, might be disappointing for those hoping for true integration, especially since cinema-level ND functionality would have marked a major leap in onboard image control. Instead, it looks like DJI has chosen to retain its modular design, likely for ease of accessory upgrades and production consistency. Interestingly, the listing also revealed some potential accessory prices, including that $220 tag for the electronic ND filter, though it's worth noting that these prices were converted from an undisclosed currency, and anyone who's compared DJI's Canadian and U.S. stores knows that direct conversions can be pretty inaccurate. Still, these numbers seem close to what we can expect globally. Here's a quick rundown. Intelligent Flight Battery is listed at $180, the Parallel Charging Hub at $100, Standard Propellers for $19, Propeller Guards at $39, DJI Care Refresh 1-year plan at $225, and the 2-year plan at $365. And yes, that means the accessories alone could run a pretty penny. But with a drone as powerful as the Mavic 4 Pro, investing in the right extras can make a huge difference in performance and protection. And let's not forget, if you don't want to pay for the electronic ND filter, you'll very likely see non-electronic alternatives from trusted third-party brands like Polar Pro or Neewer becoming available either on launch day or shortly after, making customization accessible to more users. What's also worth noting is that Ellens mentioned in his report that the drone's release could still be weeks away, and that timeline matches perfectly with the growing number of leaks coming in. When DJI products start appearing in online listings, we're usually within a month or less of the launch, and based on this latest wave of insider info, we now expect the Mavic 4 Pro to drop no earlier than the last full week of April. Though, of course, that could shift depending on internal scheduling, marketing strategy, or even global trade developments. But one thing is clear, the hype is building fast, and this latest detail about the ND filter, while seemingly small, actually tells us a lot about DJI's design philosophy with the Mavic 4 Pro, staying consistent with previous models, focusing on modularity, and perhaps saving true integration features for a later iteration, and until DJI officially confirms everything. We'll keep watching the leakers, the store listings, and the early testers to piece together the full picture of what's to come, so make sure you don't miss a beat as we follow this story to the finish line. Because when the Mavic 4 Pro finally launches, you can bet it'll shake up the drone industry once again. And for all your updates, specs, leaks, and real-world analysis, stay locked right here with TechVerse.